Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video, I've done some deep research about Kadam and how you can make money with this paying advertising network. We will discuss about how it works, some pros and some cons, and many more important subjects about Kadam. If you like it, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. So let's get started. First of all, you may wonder, what is Kadam? Kadam is an ads network based in Latvia. This network helps to monetize websites with CPA target, CPM, and CPC methods. Kadam supports different advertising formats of ads such as banners, push notifications, native ads. They also have video ads and click under ads. Kadam also supports in-app push and on-site push formats. How it works? Well, publishers have to join the platform. This is the platform right here that I'm scrolling, and get approval for their website like a normal activity. Then they have to choose the advert type and formats which they find better for their revenue. Kadam advises its publishers to choose multiple formats and provides details for high placement competition and more revenue. Kadam have their own data management platform, which is DPM, to collect and manage real data and detect cheats. Network also claim to control the latest updates of search engines and protects the website. Some pros about Kadam. Kadam use the updated version on ad blockers to pass them, resulting in proper revenue. This network supports 195 countries, claim billions of impressions daily, and around 80k advertisers competing to provide ads. All these are a good sign to earn great revenue. Advertisement for alcohol or adult or cryptocurrency or gambling are allowed unless not prohibited by law. This will help those publishers who have such websites without legal hurdles, as most of these companies are licensed. Refund to advertisers allowed on conditions. This also helps advertisers to be sure about their budget. The social media pages of Kadam are up to date, where they post the latest information with users. And now let's discuss about some cons about Kadam. According to their restrictions, offending morality, influencing superstition are not allowed. This might harm satire websites or with someone with different belief. Network owner is unknown. His or her identity is hidden in the website also, because there is no About Us section. Social media pages are only available in Russian. This will become a language hurdle for those who do not know Russian. Some restrictions and limits. Promoting or demonstrating such things are not allowed, like cruelty, violence, hatred, or discrimination, and all things like this. Also mocking other people or exploiting trust of others using bad words. Violation of intellectual property are strictly restricted. advertisements of P2P, sharing files, torrent, any adult content in family pages, fake programs are also not allowed. The withdrawal. Well, accepted payment methods in Kadam are Kiwi, Yandex Money, Web Money, and Paxum. They also have digital transfer and bank transfer options. Publishers have to create an account wallet in their platform with choice of information. Publishers are allowed to set their withdrawable fund in RUB, USD, and Euros only. Minimum withdrawable amount is 1000 RUB or 15 USD. So guys, now let's take a look on their website here. So here we are at advertising formats. They have banner ads, native ads, push. If you go here, as you can see, they also have a description about what these ads mean, like video ads. So these videos appeal to potential customers through pre-roll ads, attract attention, increase your brand awareness. They also have click under, on-site push, and in-app push. If you have any questions, as you can see, they are pleased to answer to them. You can contact them also, and if you have really some questions about Kadam, you can comment in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. So make sure to do that if you have some questions. Now let's go to the top. As you can see, they have traffic around the world, advanced targeting, reference quality, and most popular ad formats, like I said before. If you want to get started, you just have to click here. Here we have their contacts. So if you want to contact them, here you have their contacts. If you have some answers, here you will find some often asked questions, like how can you start the advertising campaign, what is the CPA target, so how you can create a push notification. So yeah, guys, if you still have some questions about Kadam, you can go ahead and check out their website here and learn more about them. You can also comment in the comment section down below. Like I said, I will be happy to answer to your questions, to your thoughts. You can also like this video if it was useful, and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic, so you can turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once I will post another video like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.